Hey guys, In a Man's Head here, Oshin, with a simple, hopefully will save you a lot of money, car repair for an air conditioner, specifically for a 2005 Civic. Last summer, I had the air conditioner fans wouldn't turn on, and I'm going to give you an example right now. In this case, I've already removed the part just to show what happens. Right now, if I turn on the AC, as you can tell, the AC light turns on, but if we bring this up to here, you do not hear any fans blowing. There's nothing blowing right now. No matter what I did, I could not fix the issue. I went to a mechanic, we checked the fuses, all of those were okay. He even looked at the air conditioning belt, because the Civic has a belt that runs with the transmission, and that helps the air conditioner work for the Civics. And the belt was intact and it was okay too. It was spinning with all the other gears. It just happened that one day I had a friend in my car, and I told him this issue, and surprisingly he said, "You know what? I think I know what it is. It's called a blow motor resistor, and that's messed up. Go to the store and get one and see if that fixes the problem." And well, I didn't go to a store. I ordered it online because I was already in the heat and I could tolerate it. The store was selling it between $40 to $60. I have a Pep Boys nearby, and then on Amazon they're like $25 to $30. So I said, well, I'll wait a week, a couple of days, and I'll order it from Amazon. And lo and behold, it fixed the issue. Very cheap fix, very easy to do. And we're gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna go down and show you how I actually repaired this problem. All right, so now out of all the places this is located, it's actually under the dash compartment over here. So if we bring the camera down, you'll see this black cover, and thankfully there's just two snap hinges you have to pull down. And then lastly, you'll have to pull this guy out, just so you have a little bit. Now it's loose because I've already pulled it, but just so you could pull this black panel down. And the hinges, let me see if I could get it over here. One's here and one is here. So once you could pull it down fairly easily, it comes down. So we'll pull this down, all right, and see how there's this little lip. This little lip fits behind this. That's why you want this open, but it also easily clips back. And then it has these two little prongs that fit into, there's two of these metal pieces. These prongs fit into this metal, and I'll show, hopefully I could get a video of that as well. Now, the piece that we're actually fighting with is this guy right here. Now, it's in a very tight spot. I'm using, I have this reversible screwdriver that the bits come out. So I pulled this out because I'm going to use this to unscrew it. And thankfully, I only had one screw originally, and there might be another one back here. All right, there's a hole right there you could see. So you'll have to get in and unscrew this and unscrew that, and this just slides out. I'm gonna pause, or actually I should be able to. Thankfully it's loose, so this is my new one. Same exact, and then just slide this out. So there's a hole where that goes into, and then here's a clip. Just press that. So we're gonna just press this and wiggle it out, and here's the part. Motor blow resistor, or blow motor resistor, something like that. I will have links down below on so you could order your part if you need it. But so now this is the good one. I'm gonna put it back, and we're gonna turn on the car. So this is the new one, okay? I've already gotten the replacement part. We're gonna turn on the car. As you can see, the AC's off right now. I'm gonna turn it on. AC lights green, and listen to that AC blowing. And it's as if it never was broke. I almost spent $500. This only cost me less than $30, and savings unbelievable. Saved my whole summer. No longer have to sit in the heat. I no longer have to have all my windows down. This was great. Lastly, let me just put it back. So putting it back, same thing. We're just gonna fit this back in here. There. Sorry. So the flat side goes to the left. There's an angular side that's on the harder to reach area. So we're going to just put the one screw in, and it's going to be stable. It doesn't wiggle around. Even if the screw comes out, you still have the panel that will hold it in place, and your plug is there, so your AC will continue to work. I'm gonna pause the video and rearrange. I'll put on the screw and then show how the panel goes in. So I put the screw in, as you can see there, and now I'm gonna slide this panel. So as I said earlier, the prongs will fit in that metal back there. All right, one there, one over here. Okay, and then just snap it back in. Now I'm gonna adjust this side first. I'm gonna pull this out a little bit. Let me see here. It's hard to do it with one hand. There. I didn't break anything, by the way. It's just the plastic moving. And then align the clips to the hole. You should be able to see it right there. I know it's a little blurry, so I'm gonna push it around until the clips align and snap those back into place too. And we're done. It's as simple as that. Hit your like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos similar to this, and I'm out. Thank you.